Okay, today I have the Ajazz AK35I RGB backlit mechanical keyboard. I also have the Ajazz Quake 7 mouse. So to focus on the keyboard, as you can see, there is a rainbow pattern that sweeps across the keyboard, and you can change the direction that the lights sweep. Along with that, you can change the brightness, so you can turn the backlight off and then turn all the brightness all the way up. You can also change the colors. You can change it from rainbow to single colors, and it still has that sweeping motion. And you go through all the different colors of the rainbow, ending with white, and then back to rainbow. You can also have different programmed modes. So if you are into gaming, you can have it so that just the keys that you will use for the game are lit up. You can have solid lighting on the whole keyboard, and then again back to the rainbow. And the color modes are customizable. You can say what keys you want turned on, what ones you want turned off. So the keyboard's actually pretty heavy. It's definitely got some metal in it, and it's a lot heavier than normal keyboards. As you can hear, there's a really nice click feedback when you press down any of the keys, and they all give you that feedback. They all click. They all feel really nice under your fingers. It has its own dedicated numpad, which is really nice. Then you have all the controls from page up, page down, inserting, things like that. You have your screen print and things like that. You have the F keys, which each of them have been programmed with a shortcut from searching the page, opening calculator, taking a picture, bringing up your music, things like that. Then over here is some of the controls. You can't really see it, it's kind of too dark, but there is a volume control here. That's like a little cylinder that you roll. So instead of having an up and down arrow for the volume, you just roll it and it turns the volume down. So overall, this product's really nice. It's pretty high quality. This particular version is $57. They have a white version with just white backlights for about $50, so it's like $10 cheaper. And then again, it goes really nice with their gaming mouse. So again, this is the Ajazz AK35I RGB backlit mechanical keyboard. I would definitely give this like a 9.5 or 10 out of 10 because it's really nice. I like how it's programmable with the colors for gaming, and the key feedback is just really solid. And the weight of the keyboard, it feels like if you drop it, it's not going to even, have any effect on it. It's that durable. So I would highly recommend this. I'll link to the Amazon page in the description if you're interested in checking these out. I'll provide a link to the keyboard and to the mouse.